What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're going to be learning Dance Monkey by Tones and I on the good old ukulele. But before we dive into this Dance Monkey ukulele tutorial, I just want to mention that if you haven't subscribed to this channel already and you want to, click the red subscribe below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. Also, hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe icon if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. I can't speak today. And last but definitely not least, is probably the most important thing, is give this video a thumbs up, like this video, because that tells YouTube, hey, this video is awesome. Let's share it out to other people who don't know who Ricky is. And that's how we grow, and that's how we get to do more of these awesome videos for you. So yeah, definitely give this video a like, and also leave a comment below letting me know, hi, hello, how are you doing today? How was your day? What's the best thing that happened to you today? Leave it in comments below. Also, follow me on Instagram at Ricky Somborn. We are at 47,000 Instagram family members, so I would love for you to join. It's just at Ricky Somborn, and we have a good time over there. Not gonna lie, I go live a lot, and I talk to you guys, and just send me a DM saying hi. So all that YouTube-y, Instagram-y, promo stuff out the way, let's go ahead and learn how to play Dance Monkey by Tones and I. So this song is pretty simple in that it only has 4 chords. I'm sure you're like, thank God, because the Fly Me to the Moon cover that we did previously, it had 12 different chords. So this one only has 4 and they're fairly easy. So the chords that you're gonna need are B minor, C, D, and E minor. So if you're like, Ricky, I know how to play those 4 chords, move on to the strumming, the chord progression, and the mini play along, I will actually put a timestamp right here so you can go ahead and move toward any section that you want in the video. Yeah, so definitely go check this out if you want. It's all right here. But if you also want to just go to the full play along, I actually did a full play along and I uploaded it right before I uploaded this video. So I'll put an annotation right up here. It says click here for full play along. That will take you to the entire song, and it has the lyrics and the chords on screen. So literally it's just super easy to play along with me playing. So definitely go check that out. Leave some love on that video as well. But if you don't know how to play those chords, then don't worry. That's why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on how to play each chord, and then we're going to go on to the strumming. All right, so we are now going to learn how to play each chord. Pick up your ukulele, and I just want to mention quickly how we name the strings and also the frets. So when you have your ukulele and you're holding it, the top string we're going to call the 4th string. The next one down is the 3rd string, the next one down the 2nd, and then the next one, the last one at the bottom, is the 1st string. So it goes 4, 3, 2, 1. All right? And then you see these lines, right, on your fretboard, and these are the frets. They separate the frets. So this one will be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So when you hear me say 1st string, 3rd fret, that's just literally placing your finger on the 1st string at the bottom and the 3rd fret, which is 1, 2, 3. So it'll be right here. So the first chord that we're gonna learn is the B minor chord, and how I like to play it is I like to place my entire pointer finger over all 4 strings. Now I like to also take this part, so the tip of your pointer finger, and sort of hook it around. So I don't know if you can see this. So I like to kind of have it hang over, right? So we're gonna place our pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and we're gonna put our middle finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. Now, one thing I do wanna note is that if your strings sound muted, so if they sound like this, that just means that you're not pressing hard enough down on the strings, which is probably, if I had to guess, it's probably your pointer finger that you're not putting enough pressure on. So what I like to do is if I notice that my strings are sort of muted and not have a clear sound, I will roll sort of my pointer finger down a little bit, so kind of like roll it like that, just to its side a little bit, and that's gonna add more pressure on the strings and should give you a clearer sound. The next chord is a lot easier and definitely less involved. It is the C chord, and how I like to play it is I like to play it with my ring finger, and we're gonna place our ring finger on the first string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D chord, and I play it a little bit differently than some other ukulele players because my fingers are a little bit chubbier than theirs, so I kind of have rigged it a little bit to make it easier for me. So maybe this might help you even if you don't have chubby fingers like I do. But we're gonna place our middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and then basically take my pointer finger and I take this meaty portion of the end of your pointer finger and I place it over the 4th and the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Because initially when you play it, I guess more traditionally, you have your all 3 fingers in a row behind each other. But my finger is just a little bit too big for that. So I like to just have my pointer finger go over the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and it sounds exactly the same. And for me, it's easier to play, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the E minor chord, and this again always reminds me of a staircase going down. So how we play this is I'm going to take my pointer finger and I'm going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then I'm going to take my middle finger, I'm going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the 4 chords that we're going to need for this song. Again, I definitely think you should pause if you're not familiar with the chords just yet. If these are new chords that you've never played, pause this video and just practice the finger placement. And again, with the B minor, it's always easier if you kind of like roll your finger forward, and that will give you a better sound. But yeah, just get really sort of comfortable with each finger placement for each chord. And now let's talk about strumming. Alright, so we are now at the strumming portion of the video. For this song, I like to keep it pretty simple. I think it sounds really cool just with down strums. And we're going to do 4 counts for each chord. So let's lay down the E minor chord, and we're going to strum 4 times down. So in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to D. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finish off with B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's literally it. That's the entire song. It's just down strums of 4 counts. So again, we'll go to E minor. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then C. Then D. Then B minor. We'll do it again. E minor. C. D. B minor. So it's literally just 4 counts for, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's literally just 4 counts. So we're gonna go with the E minor, then we're gonna go to C, D, and B minor. So I'm just going to do the counting. I'll put the chord that we're going to be playing right next to me. So we're going to start off with E minor in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is pretty much it for the entire strumming. It's super simple, but it also sounds really cool, and I think it also resembles the original song, and it sounds pretty cool and close to what it should sound like. So now we're going to talk about the chord sequence of the song, and it's super easy because it's literally the same sequence for the entire song. Literally, it's just E minor, then we're going to go to C, then we're going to go to D, and then we're going to finish off with B minor. And then it goes back to E minor, and then C, and then D, and then B minor. So that's the chord sequence for this song, and if you add the strumming that we just previously talked about, it would just be with the E minor, it would be down, 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 down. Easy enough. All right, so now that we know the chords, the strumming, and the chord sequence, we're gonna tie everything together, and I'm gonna play a little snippet of the song. So it's gonna be like a little mini play along of what everything should sound like. Again, I'll have the chords and the lyrics on screen. But again, if you do wanna hear the full play along, I'll link it again and in the annotation, but also I'll link it in the description below, just so you can have the full thing and play along with it once you've learned everything else in this video. Go ahead to that video and leave some love and just play along and have some fun. That's what music is all about. So let's go ahead and play the mini play along, and I'll see you right after. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hands, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. Now I'm begged to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance on me, dance on me, dance on me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. So congratulations, you now know how to play Dance Monkey by Tones and I on the ukulele. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, again, like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. You've watched me for a few minutes, so I feel like we're pretty close and we're pretty, we're solid. So you might as well just hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And follow me on Instagram, and what else? I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you had a lot of fun learning this song like I did teaching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.